Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Secondary 2 Yangon campus, and this is our group member. Before we start our presentations, we would like to introduce ourselves and our group name, of course. So our group name is Quantum Minds, and our group members this is Kenneth, Edison, me, Rafael, and this is Spencer, and this is Luya. So firstly, Edison will take a lead.
Okay, so let's go to our main important one, which is integer. So integer is a stubborn object that it refuses to stop doing what it is doing. For example, if it's moving, it continues to move in the same direction and in the same motion. And if it stops it refuses to stop, just stay in where it is. Okay, now let's go to my favorite part, which is 𝐥𝐻 game. Yeah, you heard me right, 𝐥𝐻 game. So we have meta loop, we need to go through it, we carefully and guidely. It's a way to test our focus and steady hand. Okay, oh sorry, I think it's not for me. So let's go to our question board game. So everyone will say that this is very, very boring, but not for us. We make it more interesting. So this is like a snake ladder. So if we if we answer all the questions correctly, we can step forward. And if we are wrong, we need to stay waiting. And to make it more interesting, our team members add theirs and step 10 backward and step 10 forward. Now our project members, Rafael and Spencer, are gonna continue this whole day.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone again. So today we'd like to start an interview, and we are from the Quantum Mind interview. So we have a special guest here. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Hello, Earthlings. Don't look at me directly, or it will burn your eyes.
So before everything started, what were you?
So basically, before everything started, I was a stellar nebula, a cloud of gas, dust, cold, messy, but full of potential, just like our project at the beginning.
So there's no light at all?
Yeah, no light at all. It was just gravity pulling everything together.
Oh, okay. So how do you become a star?
So basically, that gravity squeezed my core hard enough to form nuclear fusion.
Oh, so it is basically the hydrogen turning into the helium.
Yes, exactly. And that's where the main sequence of my life began. The longest, most stable stage of my entire life.
Oh, you look bigger now.
Yes, my core shrank, but my outer layers expand.
Oh, so you're becoming a red giant.
Yes, or a super red giant, if I'm massive, of course.
So what if you are a massive?
So basically, if I am an average star, this is an average star. If I'm an average star, I would transform into a red giant. But if I am a massive star, then super red giant. And if I am in this state, my outer layer would gently shed, and I would turn into a planetary nebula. But if I am massive, then I would explode in a supernova.
Boom. That's it.
Yeah.
So what was left in that explosion?
Basically, the heavy elements like iron and even gold were shattered across the space. Even gold, yeah.
After all, what is left in that explosions, and then how did it become? So what's the life lesson of your saga of star?
So basically, after the explosion, right? If it is a normal star, then it will turn into a white dwarf. But if it is a massive star, it will turn into a neutron star, incredibly dense, or a black hole, where not even light can escape.
Ooh.
So the lesson of the stars, it's basically the star's entire future depends on its mass, either big or small.
This is the end of our presentation.